the birds sing their song in the morning? Do you ever watch as the fireflies light up the skies in the evening? Do you ever just smell the flowers and watch the leaves dance in the wind? Do you ever watch the insects work over and over again? Do you ever watch the birds fly in and feel the vibrations of their wings? Do you ever see the eagles soaring so high, or count the butterflies as they fly by? Nature is talking, can you hear it? Nature is living, can you feel it? Nature is giving, will you receive it? Nature supports you, do you believe it? Do you ever watch as the spider builds its intricate web? Do you ever hear the animals walking through the forest? Do you ever watch life as it grows from the ground, or stand in the woods and listen to all the sounds? Do you ever take in how small you are next to trees so old? Do you ever feel like this beauty around us is worth more than gold? Do you ever stop to feel the power in the lightning and thunder as the rain fills the puddles with our feet? They are under. Nature is talking, can you hear it? Nature is living, can you feel it? Nature is giving, will you receive it? Nature supports you, do you believe it? Do you ever take in the smells of the flowers from the breeze? Do you ever feel the force come over you from the seas? Do you feel your mood shifting with the sunlight beaming? Do you count the stars as you lie in the dark, dreaming? Do you ever touch the grass and feel connected to the ground? Do you ever stop to notice the colors all around? Do you appreciate the growing food that earth provides? The taste, the smell, the touch, and the Nature is talking, can you hear it? Nature is living, can you feel it? Nature is giving, will you receive it? Nature supports you, do you believe it? Do you ever stop and think just how magical it is? Do you ever stop and thank life for such beautiful gifts? Do you ever imagine what life would be without all of this? Do you ever take a moment to take in this world.